how to access the elements from the end of the list. That is called negative indexing in Python list, right? So today I am going to talk about negative indexing in Python list, right? So negative indexing is a way to access elements from the end of the list instead of the beginning, right? It always uh, it always start from right to left, right to left direction, right? Negative indexing always start from right to left direction, right? Now I want to access all elements with the using of negative indexing, right? And negative indexing always start from suppose -1, -1, -2, -3, right? -4. So just like that. Now I want to access all elements with the using of what? The negative indexing, right? Suppose I want to print the elements fruits, name of list, then after I will use the -1, right? So this is the indexing which starts from end of the list, right? So now I want to access all elements by the using a negative indexing, right? Suppose now I want to check this -2, right? -3. Sorry, this is -2, -3, minus. To run this program, you will get what? These all elements, right? So this is called the negative indexing in Python list, right? If you are new on my YouTube channel and you like this video, then please subscribe for next video, for next topic, slicing, right? In the next lecture, we will cover the slicing, right? Thank you.